Hi people of Facebook, this is what I call a DUI cycle. In here you have an 80cc motor. Don't tell the cops that because it's and normally you pedal it with the chain, but I don't have the chain on it, but I figured out, see here? But watch this. Alright, you ready, man? I'll get this thing on here. Okay. No brakes, no brakes. Yeah, as you can see, I have no brakes yet, but I've been using the motor to slow it down. But I've gotten this thing up to at least 40 miles an hour. And once I upgrade the carburetor, I'll get an extra like 20 cc, about 10 cc's power. You don't need to license it. You don't need a driver's license. You don't need insurance for it. I mean, you can't really take it on the freeway, but I just drove this all the way down to the Amish store for my house. How far is that, man? It's what, like 6 miles? So I'm definitely gonna have to get the brakes on it though, because it's kind of tricky slowing it down right now. I have to like pump the clutch and then let the motor slow it down. But my buddy Miguel, who's built like a couple of these, he helped me build this. It took me about 2 whole days to get this running the way it is. And the last thing I have to do is get these brakes on. But